Hi, my name is Bailey Cook and I will be showing you how I make my custom cups. So first you're going to take the cup, you're going to measure the size of it, and you're going to measure the height of it. Once you do that, it looks like it's at 10, you're going to put it into the computer and type her name, or the name you want on your custom cup. And then you're going to put your customized paper that you want your name to be in purple or whatever color. And then you're going to put it into the Cricut. And then you're going to hit Cricut right here. And then after that, it should make the thing, your name. And then once it's all done making your name, you will take it off the mat slowly because you don't want your name to peel up. Okay, once you take it off the mat, you should cut the name out individually. So if you have two names, just say Happy Place. You will cut Happy out and then you cut Place out. So then after that, we take this and we have to peel it off. So I'm going to peel it. Okay. Okay. Once you get to peeling it off, you want to peel it slowly so that nothing lifts at all. So once you peel it, you're going to peel it slowly, very, very slowly, very, very, very slowly, because you don't want your letters to lift up at all. And then like that, like that. Sometimes it may get a little stuck, but that's okay. Just keep going slower. So we're gonna put this over here. So once you do that, it should look a little something like this. So after that, you're going to take this piece of paper or a type of paper, and you're going to measure it to see the size of that. And then you're gonna cut out the exact. It doesn't have to be exact, but it has to be a little bit close, like that. And then you're gonna peel up this paper. Sometimes this can be a little bit harder than regular paper. So once you get this off the paper, you're gonna peel it up. And then what you wanna do is stick it on to your cup label. And then you're gonna take this tool from the Cricut. You're just gonna go over it a few times, not that many times, but a few. And once you go over it a few times, you're gonna wanna take this off. The name should come off with the paper. So you're gonna take the sticky paper off slowly, so that none of your name doesn't transfer onto this. Then once you do that, you're gonna measure it to where you want it to be. I think I'm gonna do mine here. So just put it right there. So it should look something like this. And you're gonna smooth that out with your fingers. Make sure you really press it down so that it stays. And then once you do that, you're going to take this sticky piece of paper off slowly, and it should look a little something like this. And I will be right back when I do the other name. And this is the finished product. So yeah, this is the finished product. Like my video and hope you learned how to make my custom cups.